Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to turn everything into the gold in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Now take a photo. Now take the object selection tool and select the subject. Now click Ctrl+J. Go to image and now click on adjust and then click on desaturate. Now click Ctrl+J. Now go on image option and click on adjustment and now click on invert. Now change into difference. Now click Ctrl+E. Now click Ctrl+J. Now click on Ctrl+I. Now change it to the difference. Click Ctrl+E. Now go to this and click on color lookup. Now select this. Click this and arrange the opacity accordingly. And boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.